Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I find peace and happiness in being a homemaker. Come along with me to see what I have cooking up today. Roasted radishes are a delicious and nutritious addition to your low-carb diet, offering a flavorful alternative to starchy vegetables. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, radishes are naturally low in carbohydrates, making them the perfect choice for those following a keto lifestyle. When roasted, their slightly peppery flavor mellows out, creating a savory, satisfying dish that's both healthy and easy to prepare. Whether you're looking to add variety to your meals or craving a satisfying snack, these keto roasted radishes are a fantastic way to stay on track while enjoying great tasting food. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with future videos and more great recipes. Leave a thumbs up so that I know you were here. And until next time, guys.